Perhaps you received the Chanel Enchanted Night palette for Christmas and now you're not quite sure how to use it. The colours in this palette are really vibrant, so we are going to build up other products around it. This is Shiseido Revitalescent Skin Glow, and then I'm taking any colour out of my eyelids with a primer straight onto the palette. So we are going to go with the most vibrant pink and then softly blend it along the lash line. When I say soft, I mean there's nothing soft about it. These colours are very strong. So blend, blend, blend. Then a little bit of the deeper pinky purple right along the lash line, and then also along the top lash line. Then using a flat eyeshadow brush, or you can use a finger if you prefer, just add a little of the silver at the tear duct. I'm using Swede brightening eyeliner on the waterline to stop my eyes looking like I'm having an allergic reaction. Then I'm mixing a little bit more of the pink. We're going bold and blending it outwards. You really want to buff and smudge and blur this as much as you possibly can. If you want to use a finger, this is Laura Mercier Caviar Mascara. Make sure you get that right at the root of the lash. Again, it prevents it looking too pink. Bottom lashes as well. Then I'm taking a little bit of that bright pink, and I do mean a little bit, just on the cheeks and working it in. Remember, you can always add, it's difficult to take away. This is Essence Brow Lifting Gel, followed by the NYX Lift and Snatch. I've picked a darker brow colour for me today because I think it is going to take away some of the attention from the pink and frame the eyes a little bit. This is Merit Lip Liner. It's a soft nude and I'm going to work it all over the lip, and this is an option for people that are already a little bit freaked out about wearing pink on the eyes. If you want some more, then you could go for something like this. This is a limited edition Chanel palette, and the colour I'm using is kind of a bit of a rouge noir colour, and this is similar to the colour that they've used in their campaign shots. I really like this, but I would blot it. So let's do that just to soften it, and this is the kind of effect that you will get. Don't go too pink, go for something that's a little bit more burgundy, otherwise it's going to look a bit matchy with the eyes. I really like this, but let's have another try at something else. This is Valentino 123R Striker Pose. Then I'm going to add a little bit of a colour I'd never wear on its own. This is MAC Peppermint Pink, and it is a very blue frosted pink. If you want a little bit more boldness, then you could try a petal lip. This is Serge Lutens Garde Rouge Ink Lip Stain in Fuchsia. And then I'm going to finish it by using a little of the Makeup by Mario Sculpt. Actually, that was a bit of a fib because I'm going to put a little bit more of the MAC Peppermint Pink, the blue pink, just on the Cupid's bow because it is really pretty with this petal lip. I like it a lot. So which would you wear, this one or this one? Thanks guys, bye.